Now today we are going to see the operation of shunt. Shunt means here we are going to take the output and diode is connected across the load. This is a shunt for the positive clipping and this is a shunt operation for the negative clipping. Now here also we are going to see the V reference. One time it will be a positive V reference, one time it will be going to a negative V reference. Now if suppose there is no V reference over here, now this is just like a positive clipping, only except 0.7. So when D is on, when there is 0 V reference, then output will be 0.7. But I have included a V reference that V reference plus 0.7. If it is positive, it is going to increase in this portion, and if this is negative, it is going to go down. If -5 minus 0.7, it is just going to come down. This is when D is on. When D is off, whatever the input that is applied, when D is off, suppose this is off, this output will be same as the input. See, in this period D is off, same output is and input are same. Here also when D is off, here D is off, output and input are same. Now if I replace all this with only an anti-parallel diode, then you are going to get this output. This output for V reference positive and this output for V reference negative. Now the same type of output we were getting in the series also. But the difference between series and parallel is that here 0.7 term will be added, and moreover this output and input will be starting from same position. Here in series there was some lag, means input and there was some lag in the output. If you take the output, there was some lag in the output. So we are going to connect the circuit and see the operation. Now if you look at the connection, this is the R. This is where input has been applied. From here output is taken, and this is R connected with the diode, and here I am going to apply some positive reference or negative reference, and this is the ground, and this ground has been made common. This is the ground for the input, and this is the ground for the output, and this is the ground for the positive supply, the reference we are supplying, and we will be connecting here the positive reference, or with the black wire the negative reference. Now we are going to zoom out the circuit. We are going to see this output and this output just by reversing your V reference. Now this is your positive V reference, this red one I am connecting here. You will be seeing the output has come here. Now I am changing the reference. Now here you will be noting that reference is changing. Now it is come to 1. Now if you see, maximum voltage is 1.84. Now why it is 1.84? That 0.7 that has been applied extra. That is why it is maximum by 0.7. Now I am increasing to 2. Now it is 2. It must be 2.8. Now if I increase this length, now you see there is no change here. Both are in the same phase. See, both are in the same. That was not happening in the your series connection. In parallel, this is what we are getting. Now what I am going to do, if you increase, it will be like a positive clipping. Now I am going to remove this one, and I am going to insert the negative reference. If I am inserting the negative reference, see, your output has come this level. Now let me increase this reference. Now if I increase my reference, now you see your output has come here. Now what I have given 3.6. Now if you want to see the maximum value, because this is the maximum value, 3.6 minus 0.7, it is around 2.90. It must be around 2.90, and it is around 2.80. Now if I increase that voltage, decrease that voltage, let me decrease the voltage. I have kept 2. It must be 2 minus 0.7, it is minus 1.20. This is the circuit with the negative reference. Now I am going to just anti-parallel the diode. Now when I am doing the anti-parallel operation, you will be getting this circuit. This is the circuit that we got. Now let me start with the positive supply only. Now when I have reverse biased this one, you are going to get this output for the positive V reference and this output for the negative V reference. Now we are going to connect the positive V reference. Now where is red wire? This is the red wire I am connecting here. Now this is the red wire I have connected. Now here 1.5 volts has been given. Now if you see V minimum, it's it is 800 millivolt. This is the V minimum. Now let me increase this one. Now what voltage I have given? 4.8 and 4.8 minus 0.7 it is going to get 4.2 volt. It must come. This is what output you are going to get. Now let me decrease that value. Now I have given 3.1 and the output must be 3.1 minus 0.7, it is 2.32 because minimum value here. This is the V reference that has been set. Now I am going to give you positive V reference. Now if I give the positive V reference, now with the black wire, this is the black wire that I am going to supply here, and this is the reference that I have given. I start from 0. Now if I have given 0, this is the, it must be around 0.7, it is around minus 880 millivolt. Now let me increase this one. Now I am going to give 2.3 volt I have given. It must be 2.3 minus 2.3 minus 0.7. It must come around 3. See, it is around minus 3. Now let me decrease, increase. You will be getting the negative clipping. So this is all about the clipping in the parallel operation.